How to use Verizon Call Filter feature. First of all, download the official application on your device. So go ahead and launch your device's web store, Play Store or App Store, then search for Verizon Call Filter or Verizon application. Once you download it onto your device, you simply have to open the app and tap the Get Started option. The system will automatically check and verify your mobile account status and allow notifications and grant the app access to your contact so it can successfully identify safe callers. If you use a dual SIM or eSIM phone, pick the specific number you want to secure and tap Done. Now you simply have to navigate to the settings. First of all, go inside the Call Filter application, then go to the Blocks tab. Then choose the Spam and Category filter, then turn this feature on. And you can also set your risk level over there. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.